Hi guys, I'm Keshav Malpani. Welcome back to 12 Minutes to CLAT. So a lot of you in a couple of days or in a day now are going to write MHCET 2024, and like there is a lot of emotions that come with it, a lot of anxiety that comes with it. You know, a lot of us feel really pressurized because most of the students who are writing MHCET probably, despite hard work, were not able to do really well in CLAT 24 as well, right? तो वो थोड़ा सा trauma रहता है, and there is a very natural feeling as to what if that repeats in MHCET 2024. So I am here to give you a perspective. I am here to calm your nerves a little and maybe you could say help you give the exam in a more, you could say, calm manner or in a more sane manner, right? So the exam is now finally happening on 30th. 3 तारीख से हमारा exam almost एक महीने postpone हो गया. But see, understand this that this is one exam where the passing rate would be lower. All of us know this from the starting only, since we have started our preparation. So there are two major big colleges that all of us are aiming for, which is GLC Mumbai and ILS Pune. If you are not from Maharashtra, there are barely, I would say, 80 odd seats in these two colleges. Now it gets difficult obviously because the number of aspirants are larger. We always feel that kind of pressure कि हमारा होगा या नहीं होगा. Now see, you have to understand this that result is something else. You have to understand कि अपने process में कितना effort डाला है. So if you feel that you have put in all those efforts, you have done, everything that was required. कई बार ऐसा होता है that we learn from our CLAT mistakes also. कि हमने जो CLAT में mistakes की थी, we have made sure that we do not repeat those mistakes during our preparation for MHCET also. And last 6 months, I hope, have been, rewarding at times and, not so rewarding at certain times, wherein we wrote some tests did not go well, sometimes we were not able to do well. है ना, अभी भी कई सारे लोगों को लग रहा हो कि हमारे मॉक में इतना ही स्कोर आ रहा है, so how do we do it? Now see, what do you have to do on 30th morning is reset yourself. Reset, कभी हम फोन वगैरह को reset करते हैं ना, where everything becomes new. So whatever has happened, वो आपके दिमाग में already feed हो चुका है. So it's not that you will leave it or you will forget anything on 30th morning. But don't take that baggage of mock tests or CLAT 24 with you, because what it does is it gives you very, you could say, a position where you're very anxious and nervous. आप एग्जाम में बैठ के you will not be sure with your answers. एग्जाम से पहले you wouldn't know क्या करना है. The number of people you see in the exam center, you would see, यार मतलब even if all of us are selected, there are not enough number of seats in these two colleges. So that brings us more anxiety, that brings us more nervousness. So how do we manage that is a major problem. So सबसे ज्यादा CLAT में भी for a lot of you who were well prepared, who you could say were destined to do well, were doing reasonably well in the mock test as well, right? Were not able to do CLAT 24 because we did not manage that anxiety levels, we did not manage that time of those 2 hours really well. हम लोग कई बार क्या गलती करते हैं that we think that an exam is everything for us. This is like our life. Now you have to understand this is just one part, one big opportunity of your life. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब ये वाली अपॉर्चुनिटी कभी वापस नहीं आएगी, इस तरह की अपॉर्चुनिटी वापस नहीं आएगी. Believe me, all of you who are listening to this today, and if you have worked hard for this exam as well, you guys have already made it. ठीक है, आप लोगों ने काफी कुछ कर लिया है. Now result may be positive, result may be negative. You don't have to worry about it because see, that is anyway not in your hands. जो आप मैक्सिमम कर सकते थे, that is the preparation and writing the paper properly. तो वो आप करोगे ही करोगे, है ना. पेपर में मैंने आपको बताया कि उस दिन किसी के बारे में मत सोचना कि पहले क्या हुआ था, आज क्या होगा, इसमें नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा. Just keep your head straight, just try to think as much as you can, just try to remember whatever you've studied, just try to remember the last 6 months and just do it. ठीक है, बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना पेरेंट्स क्या बोलेंगे, फ्रेंड्स क्या बोलेंगे, मैम क्या बोलेंगे, सर क्या बोलेंगे, डजंट मैटर एट ऑल. ठीक है, इट इज योर लाइफ, यू हैव टू फाइनली, you could say, make sure that it happens. And in a scenario where you feel that यार it will not happen again, एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं हुआ, रिजल्ट आया, हमें लगा कि यार थोड़े से 2-4 नंबर से रह गए या मे भी ज्यादा नंबर से रह गए, तो ऐसा नहीं, इट इज नॉट द एंड ऑफ एनीथिंग. आप लोगों की जो एज है ना, barely 18, 19 और मे बी मैक्सिमम 20 years, you guys are never failures, right? अभी तो मतलब you have to live most of your life. It's just that कि we feel bad because some of our friends have probably left the town or left the place to for his or her college, right? तो हमें लगता है कि यार हम तो रह ही गए पीछे. But it's only a matter of time. मतलब ये होता ही है, right? I know so many people who did not get college initially, went later. Not just talking about law, talking generally about my friends, right? And they are doing really well in their life 5 years down the line, 6 years down the line. क्योंकि they had that patience, they did not settle for less. So you also have that, need to have that kind of a tendency or that kind of a thinking that I'm not going to be settling for less, I'm going to be making sure that whatever the mistakes I have, हमको ये अभी तक समझ में आ गया है CLAT की MHCET की तैयारी करके, that you do not have to be somebody extraordinary to clear this exam. But yes, those ordinary things have to be done every day, right? You have to be consistent with it. CLAT में भी यही major problem था for most of us, that we were not consistent. Even if we were consistent, we were, you could say, taking it too much. मतलब हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा nervous थे इस चीज को लेके. We were thinking कि this is the final exam. If this doesn't happen, I don't know what I'm going to do later. Don't think about it at all, right? Have a very, very simple understanding that this is just one exam. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होता when you do not clear one or two exams you become a failure, you're not going to do well. आपको क्या लगता है, मतलब मान लो if 5,000 or 10,000 students write the exam and 80 make it to GLC और ILS, तो बाकी जो जितने almost 10,000 लोग हैं, almost 9,000 लोग हैं, उससे भी काफी ज्यादा, will they all be failures in their lives? ऐसा नहीं होगा, right? You guys will ultimately figure it out, you guys will ultimately do well. It's just that कि at that point in time we feel यार कि मतलब probably नहीं हो रहा है हमसे, है ना, मतलब we've been stuck in this loop, 1 साल से 2 साल से यही कर रहे हैं, है ना, मतलब it's irritating, it's frustrating and it's very understandable. It is understandable and you have all the right to feel bad about it also, right? बट इतना बिल्कुल मत सोच के जाना जब हम बहुत ज्यादा आगे के बारे में सोचते हैं ना कि if it doesn't work out मैं तो बस मतलब मैं तो पढ़ना ही छोड़ दूंगा या पढ़ना छोड़ दूंगी, मैं तो कुछ और कर लूंगा या कुछ और कर लूंगी. डोंट थिंक अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दिस, राइट? कीप इट वेरी सिंपल. You are going to write this exam really, really properly with everything that you know. और कई बार हमको ये भी होता है कि हमको कई बार लोगों ने बोला है कि अगर आप MHCET लिख रहे हो and you're an outside Maharashtra candidate, you have to get 120 plus ideally to be able to make it to GLC and ILS. Now, इसी mindset से हम लोग कई बार जाते हैं, but we don't know what kind of paper is going to come. There's a possibility that paper is slightly difficult, like not very difficult. MHCET is never going to be very difficult, but slightly difficult, where the cutoff say falls down by 5 marks. So now don't, you could say, beat yourself up in the exam यही सोच के कि यार ये क्या मतलब मेरे को तो आया ही नहीं. So the best way to give any exam is to not have a target marks in your mind. जब हमारे दिमाग में वो होता है ना, that is where we get a lot pressurized during the exam, because if you do not do say 2 sections well in the starting, then the next 3 sections also we're not able to do really well because we are in that pressure कि पहले 2 अच्छे नहीं हुए, right? तो इसीलिए just do your best, give those full 2 hours. 2 घंटे बहुत होंगे आपके पास to do the paper as well as check it really properly. तो और उसके बाद में हमने कई बार डिस्कस किया ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम हमारी क्लासेस में, हमारे यूट्यूब के सेशंस में भी, कि कैसे आप एलिमिनेशन कर सकते हो. देयर इज नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग, मार्क ऑल दी 150 क्वेश्चंस, है ना. डोंट बी ओवर स्मार्ट, मत जाना 1 घंटे में उठ के पेपर खत्म हो जाए. तो पूरे 2 घंटे बैठ के आराम से पेपर देना है, ठीक है. एंड तक उसको देखते रहो, राइट? हो जाएगा. और नहीं भी हुआ तो वी विल कम अप विद अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस विद यू, विल कम अप विद अ, यू कुड से, लॉट ऑफ प्लान्स विद यू as to how to move ahead, what to do, what you could say, certain things that can be considered forward. But इस point of time पर till 30th, जब तक आपका एग्जाम खत्म नहीं हो जाता, just be sure कि आपको बस एक ही चीज करनी है, and that is concentrating on what we have done the last 6 months and just try to make some sense out of it. If it doesn't work out, it is not the end of the world. Keep this in mind, keep yourself very, very straight. अगर आप maximum मान लो 18, 19, 20 जो भी आपका एज होगा अभी, ठीक है, इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पर nobody is expecting you कि आप बहुत ज्यादा पैसे कमाओ या कुछ करो. We expect from ourselves, but 5-6 years down the line आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि यार it was not a big deal, ठीक है. I was able to do it properly later. I see a lot of students, I mean lot of students, क्या मतलब students who have graduated now, है ना. Nobody, मतलब even in colleges like say I'm from NLU Jodhpur, a lot of people from NLU Jodhpur we expected कि यार इसका कुछ नहीं होगा, ये तो पूरे दिन ऐसे ही मस्ती मजाक में निकाल देता है, कुछ भी नहीं करता है ना. And that person is doing exceptionally well. करते हैं लोग, है ना. तो you never know. And उसके बाद भी I've seen people from various colleges in India. It's just that कि आप में लगन कितनी है, how much do you want to study, how much do you want it, and that will get you everywhere you want to go in life. So एक एग्जाम है, इसको एग्जाम की तरह ही लेंगे, ठीक है, with all seriousness. Definitely हम लोग पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि we are able to do well in this exam, and that is it, ठीक है. एग्जाम के बाद में आके परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है, और रिजल्ट आएगा then we'll talk again as to how to go about it, what to do, what could be our next options, and all the very best guys. Give it all what you have, ठीक है. वो जब आपके 2 घंटे होंगे ना, उस समय किसी चीज के बारे में मत सोचना. Be very confident, keep your head straight and be the best version of yourself. All the best guys. I'll see you very soon.